Hi, good afternoon. I'm Les Northern. I'm originally from the UK. I've had 23 years experience in scaffolding. I work for a company called 𝗖𝗜𝗦𝗥𝗦 in the UAE. I came on the training course for BSI inspectors course at this facility in Musafa at Simeon's. The facility is a wonderful place. The instructors are very good. They explain every information and every detail what is required for the course. They provide the food, the equipment what is required to do the training, and they're a set of lovely people and they explain everything down to the full. And I'd like to thank Simeon's, their instructors, for the warm welcome, and thank you very much for the facilities and for us to take part in doing the training. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Fahad. I'm basically from Iraq. I was here last week for 𝗁𝗔𝗍𝗔 supervisor training. I have completed my supervisor course. I was very pleased with the Simeon International Training Service. That's why I decided to get another training from Simeon for 𝗁𝗔𝗍𝗔 basic inspection training. And Alhamdulillah, I have done my twice training with the Simeon International. Thank you, Simeon, for providing such a great learning experience. Thank you.